Have you ever thought about changing your industrialized deodorant for a more natural option? The most commonly used deodorants today are antiperspirants, which carry lots of ingredients such as triclosan, propylene glycol, parabens, fragrances, aluminum, and alcohol that can be harmful to our health. Did you know that aluminum salts can cause dermatitis? In addition, this type of product can obstruct pores and ducts of the sweat glands, which can lead to infections. Thinking about that, in today's video, we will share a homemade deodorant recipe. This recipe we are going to teach you not only is free of chemical components, but also reduces the odor and fights the bacteria present on the skin. The process is very simple, and the results are amazing. And best of all is that you can choose your favorite fragrance. Check the ingredients to make your natural, long-lasting deodorant. 3 tablespoons of cocoa butter, 2 tablespoons of starch. It can be corn, arrowroot, potato, cassava. 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 5 to 10 drops of essential oil, optional. Directions: melt the butter in a double boiler. Heat the water over low heat to avoid oxidizing the butter. Once it melts, turn off the heat. Mix the starch and baking soda. Once it cools down, add the essential oil. Tea tree and lavender oil are good options for those who are sensitive to strong smells. Avoid using citrus oils as they can burn your skin when exposed to the sun. Now you only need to store it in a glass container. You can apply it with your fingers after a bath, and it lasts for up to 2 months. This recipe is very simple, doesn't irritate your armpits, and makes you smell good the whole day. So, did you like the recipe? Make it and share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.